Here we have him.
But look how happy it is, it's having some attention. What the hell?
Realise the problem. The saw method.
Start again.
Stubborn rusty bolt. Yeah! Chop it off and bye-bye rusty arch. Ooh, an MX5 with a bit of rust.
The f was that?
Automotive archaeology.
Woo! Moment of truth.
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to episode 3 of the MX5 track build. Now I'm very excited and nervous for this because it involves cutting up the car, and I know how much
can't wait for this.
have always wanted to cut this car up.
Well, there we are. I planned the full day for it. I said, don't matter what time we finish, just give me the saw.
It's wide arch time, let's get stuck in.
Let's go.
So here we have them. We teased them in the coilover videos, and today is the day. I'm so excited for this. I want to give a massive shout out to Matt from Cooking Glass. Now I ordered these from eBay. So the company is Cooking Glass. Matt actually hand delivered them himself.
Cooking Glass?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I don't know. Hopefully you're watching, Matt. You can give us some background on that name, because I'm very curious as well. But yes, already, I mean, I don't know about you, I haven't come into contact with many over fenders, but they seem quite good quality.
Yeah, they look all right.
Considering they're fiberglass.
Which better than your paintwork.
It actually is, yeah. Now, I haven't had much luck with fiberglass, so I'm really not expecting much from the fitment, but...
I know a lot of people complain about fiberglass. I fitted body kits and stuff. I used to work for a
used to
company
do it,
that. But
that's why I'm glad you're here. This is why I brought you.
I worked in the shop.
Oh, right. Crap. Well, first things, I mean, obviously, I think the first thing is to just line them up.
Yeah, let's see what they like,
we're dealing with, so... let's get stuck in. So Kenny's already realised the problem.
Yeah, we got to remove this. But look how happy it is. It's having some attention. His tail's wagging and everything.
I hope you can see that. That's mad, isn't it? Look at it, still good.
I know, she's really happy. She's having some attention.
I wanted to cut that off anyway, so...
We're going to cut it off?
Well, we need to get rid of it, don't we, surely?
Well,
remove it, yeah, okay.
No, I don't mind using this.
That's an excuse to use a saw. So, shall we get the... Since I'm cameraman and all, I'm going to grab the first one.
Oh, we're back to that, are we?
Yes, back to normal.
There we are, get some duct tape. Happy days.
Whoa.
Not bad, actually.
Oh my God.
Well, this is Drew all over. Okay. You got snacks even in the boot. What the hell? This is seized right on.
It's taken about 3 minutes for Kenny to resort to the saw method. So the aerial, we've tried removing bits, we've tried twisting it. I don't know if it's just seized or whatever. Yep. But I think we are going to have to cut it. And the only way I can think of doing it, which I'm not too happy about.
Yeah, he's worried about his paintwork. I honestly don't believe this guy, right? I just tried starting it and I scratched it there. Look at the state on the wing. Look at the state on the
Someone's got to understand. It's still paintwork. It's
not
just
even
weird.
paintwork.
It's weird taking a blade to it. Come on, let's get it done. Let's get it over with. Oh, man, it was right by there then. I didn't realise this was going to be the hard.
Yeah! And that's how you remove an MX5 aerial.
Accelerate tutorials.
I'm going to use this now.
Look at that.
Come on, Ann. Get it in.
Anyway, I think it's about time we can actually test fit the rear now.
Oh, I can use this as a pointer.
I'm quite scared.
There.
What's the paint?
I know, I was waiting for that. Right, the only thing is we've got to remove the rear mudguardy thing as well.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll try
that was rusted on.
I was so hoping then that wouldn't cover where I'd just been cutting.
You nasty. Whoa.
Yeah,
oh, man. I'm so... Wow, I'm very happy with these. Look at that.
Oh, my God.
God, it's nicer.
I know. What if I scratch this now?
Then I'll kill you. So, with the MX5, as usual, we've come across some stubborn, rusty bolts, and that's the most logical thing to do, isn't it?
Let's behead them. Sit rep.
So, we've managed to get the stubborn aerial off. Got these mud guards off, which again took a lot longer. It's always just the smaller things, Giggity, that seem to take
yeah, well, it really is, because now all we got to do is line it up, mark up where we're going to do it, and then we can actually start doing it.
Should hopefully be as simple as that.
Well, it better be.
Yes. Well, I gotta say, initial impression,
yeah,
I'm so hyped. That's so cool.
The fitting's pretty good.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad. You consider you only paid about 30 quid for them.
Hey!
I'm just joking.
So as we have stated many times before, we are by no means professional, but...
No, I've never done this.
No, neither of us have.
This is not a how-to.
No, this is just bringing you guys along. Now, what Kenny has thought is basically taking measurements where he wants to go from the smallest to the widest here to give me the most clearance to fit the wheels. Yeah, so what we're essentially going to do is put a mask in line where we want it, chop it off, and bye-bye rusty arch.
Well, some of the rusty arch.
Some of the rust. Y'all ready for this? So this is literally the step now where it's about to get sparky. Whoa! An MX5 with a bit of rust. That's actually not as bad as I thought.
It really isn't. I thought it was going to be worse.
Wow.
The good thing is, we're cutting it out, so...
Yeah. There, so all this is going, as you can see, it's like proper automotive archaeology.
We're dissecting it.
Yeah. And I've never seen Kenny so happy.
Just give me a sledgehammer and I'm away.
She's off. Ish.
Yeah.
Hey! Looks better already. I think even if we just left it like that.
I'll just literally push... If we just put a couple... Start again.
Yes.
Right, if we just trim a couple little grooves into there, I can tack it to that.
Yes. Because like I said, you're not going to see any of this anyway.
No, we just tack it down, it's safe, it's secure.
I'm so happy.
And me. I finally got to get a cut out of your car.
You finally got it off your chest. You've got 3 others to do, but still.
I don't mind. I'll cut everything. Here we have Drew with the center.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look what I done.
Yeah, I came out with this. I did all the work.
I did. The f was that? Oh!
Really? That just missed my windscreen.
Yeah, but it's dented your... Oh, no. Dented your quarter. I think it's dent... I don't know. There's so much on this paintwork anyway. Yeah, what the hell? How the hell did that fall?
So another sit rep. The... Kenny gets out of the way.
Sorry.
Arch is all sort of cut. So basically, cut the tabs there, so we're just welding the outer sill to the inner, or arch even. Now, we want to state, this is the first time you've done any proper welding.
Yeah.
You've tacked a few things like exhaust and things like that.
Yeah, that is my welder, but yeah, I've never really used it.
But yeah, this is the whole point. It's a learning curve, so
yeah,
what a good car to start on. So that's where we are now.
Let's see if it works. Yeah, sit rep on this one. We were told that the gasless MIG may be too aggressive. Yeah. I turned the settings, they're literally on minimum. Yeah. And they are starting to burn through it. So what we're going to do is leave it for now. We're going to paint it just to protect it. It's safe, it's not going to happen. It's only going to be a week or so and you can get someone else with a real welder.
Stu, looks like you're doing some welding for me.
Yeah, cheers Stu. You're going to have to finish off where we started.
Yep. But that's not going to stop us.
No, that's it. Let's get it on.
Yeah. I think it's time for an update. So what we've done so far, for anyone that has never used or heard of riv nuts, Ben, I need to thank you because what an invention they are. As you can see, they basically work the same as rivets, but you can actually put a thread into pretty much anything. So this is where we are at the moment. Kenny's fitting them, and it's all, well,
almost one completed.
Yeah, the rear arch is almost done.
So Drew's now putting the wheel on and we're going to drop it back down to see how this side looks, then we're going to move on to the front. So what do you reckon so far?
I am absolutely buzzing with the fitment and everything. It's a lot better than I thought. I love how it sits. It's going to look a bit goofy obviously on these wheels for now. Yeah,
now Drew being Drew didn't remember the hardware, so we just had to go and get these from Screwfix. You are going to put smaller ones on there though, right?
Yes, I didn't realise how much they were going to stick out, so yes, I completely forgot. I planned a lot of other things, but I forgot one of the main components.
Yeah, that's right, they stick out more than the arches, which is fine.
I know, it makes it even wider. But no, yeah, so as soon as it's all done, I promise, before it even sees the road, it'll have different...
It's got that like Hellraiser vibe, hasn't it?
Yeah, it looks very gothic in fairness. It does, yeah. Moment of truth.
That jack's slower on your car.
I don't think that's possible. Nice. Well, I think we got plenty of clearance, that's for
sure. Yeah.
So, rear arch is on, as we've said, with the 3 foot high fixings. There is a bit of a step here, but we've had an idea to reuse the old mudguard and hopefully blend it in a bit. And when it comes to the front, it is going to be a slightly different process because, didn't we say it's obviously not going to be double skinned, that's the one.
Yeah, so we'll take the arch liner off now. So you're going to take the arch liner off now.
More rusty bolts, great.
Yeah, that's why you're doing it.
But yeah.
Yeah, so we should only have to cut a chunk of this out.
Yep.
And it'll be a lot easier, obviously. Just prime it up then.
Yeah. She's off! Well, that, I think you'd agree, was a lot easier than the rear.
That's what she said.
Very quick update, guys. We are flying through this now. Kenny's put the riv nuts in, as you can see.
We probably got too many in, to be honest, but
we probably have.
More than not enough.
Completely agree. Yeah, we have maybe gone a bit overkill, but like Kenny said, I don't want it, because it is a tracker, I don't want it to come flying off.
And to be honest, I'm not really going to be behind it anyway when we're on.
Oh, ooh, we'll see. Yeah, so I have primed just a few patches there. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. She's back on the floor. Granted, she looks more like a hovercraft at the moment if you look at it like that. But man, what a feeling. I am so happy with these. That's obviously the one side done. We are going to do the other side. We won't bore you with that because it's going to be the exact same process, but we will check back in with you if and when it all goes to plan. Now, before we get to the outro, I just want to give you guys a quick update. It has been a few days, so I've managed to get the new smaller domed bolts in and they look so much better. I'm sure you guys will agree. So the next step is getting rid of this goofy look and put it on the new wheels, or the existing wheels with the new tyres, the semi-slick wheel, you know what I mean.
Nothing lasts forever.
And she's back on her wheels. Now, as I said, obviously she still looks a bit goofy. Definitely get some spacers on there, but how much better do those wheels look? Bit of a concern. That's basically the lowest it can go on these coilovers. So I think we'll have to make do with that. Once we space it out, it should make it sit a lot nicer, but so happy to see these wheels back on her. Now, it is pitch black outside. It has got very late. So, unfortunately, I can't get any shots of it outside. Keep an eye on the Facebook and the Instagram accelerates, because I will post some pictures up on there. If not, we will be at Spring Action, so we will see you then. So, back to the outro.
What a day.
Ah, what a day.
Over 13 hours in.
Yep. Most of it went to plan. There were a few issues, as you'll probably notice. The last one, always the last one.
Yeah.
Not too big of an issue though. Basically run out of the little riv nut things. I've already ordered some, got some better bolts coming. Some good news though, we had a very pleasant call from a good friend of ours, Jay.
Yep.
And the colour change is now not going to be plasti dip.
And it's not going to be black.
Yes, so big even more changes coming. This has just inspired me to just take it to the next level with this project, so just stick with us. Oh, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Well, we're not so tired.
Yeah, boom.